Okay, Paulo, bring me Bible verse.
John 8:12, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will not walk into darkness but will have the light of life.
Okay. Asa? Pulpe. Kilam to ka bo? Okay. Okay, Renz, give me Bible verse.
Psalm chapter 23 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Napaisa sir. Love your neighbor as yourself. Mark 12:31.
Okay. Saka ballpen. Saka chocolate. Protos. Okay. Okay, Gabriel, give me Bible verse.
Ephesians 6:1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is good.
Okay, napa? Wala, mas napa isa. John 1:1. Wala, like in the beginning ba? O nilain? Duha gibi. Ora, unsa to Ephesians
Ephesians 6:1.
Ephesians 6:1.
Bagus tayo.
Kana ra. Okay, Anthony, give me Bible verse.
Psalm chapter 23 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, shall not want. Ano pa isa, sir? Roman 5:3-5. Yes, life is hard, but God has planned to make you stronger through it all. Sir.
Okay, Mora? Okay. Naay ballpen, isa. Photos, Joy. Yeah. Oh, kaning. Okay, Jilo, give me Bible verse.
The Gospel
Otro, kasi.
The Gospel according to Matthew chapter 16 verse 18. I also say to you that you are Peter, and upon this I will build my church, and the gates of hell will not overpower it.
Mora to? Ano lain? Ballpen. Lollipop.
Anak makuha.
Okay, Zia, give me Bible verse.
Philippians 4 verse 13. Ang lahat ng ito ay magagawa ko sa pamamagitan ni Kristo na nagbigay sa akin ng lakas.
Mora to? Why dugang? Kasi napay dugang.
Mark 12:30 verse 31. Love your neighbor as yourself. Yay!
Apa?
Open man. Tuan na sa tuan. No. Ako sir, isa sir.
Coba deh. Okay, dire. Ashley, give me Bible verse.
Numbers chapter 6 verse 24 to 26. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace.
Ora?
Oh, isa ra ka buo.
Sige, sir kabog.
Okay, bantin sa.
Okay, ballpen. Choco Joy. Lollipop.
Ano na yan, sir, no? Mga babae. Ay, sir. Kadun din. Ano ba?
Ano ko to?
Pinako.
Okay. Nash, bring me Bible verse.
Psalm 23:1. The Lord is your shepherd and you shall not want.
Sarah? Sarah?
Psalm 33:1. The Lord is your shepherd and you shall not want.
Sige. Sige, basag Bible? Okay, very good eh. Sige, nakoy hatag nimo.